Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Sakshi here, and today we're making this lip-smacking Schezwan Paneer open toast sandwich. This is a perfect tiffin snack or brunch recipe. So here's the list of ingredients that we'll need. You'll also find them in the description box below. Moving on, in a bowl we'll add in 150 grams of diced paneer and 2 tablespoons each of diced bell peppers and onion. We'll also add in 2 teaspoons of oil and then do the seasoning. A teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of chilli flakes, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. You could even add in some pepper or switch the spices as your preference. We'll also add in half a teaspoon of kitchen king masala, salt to taste, and give this a very good mix. So this is a marinade mixture which we'll be layering on top of the bread. So once this gets a thorough mix, we'll add in 2 teaspoons of Schezwan sauce. If you're a Jain, you can avoid adding in the onion and use a Jain Schezwan sauce instead. Once again, we'll mix this very well together and then let it set aside on room temperature for about 15 to 30 minutes. Next, we'll take a pan and add in 1 finely chopped green chilli, lightly roasted, and then if you need, just add in around half or 1 teaspoon of oil. We'll cook this on a medium flame for just 1 minute and then add in the marinated mixture. This will be cooked on a high flame for about 5 minutes. We'll mash it with the back of the spoon a little so that it's much more easier to spread on top of the bread. So this is ready and it's time to assemble. I've got white bread slices here and I'm going to lightly butter them. Then in the mixture we'll add in some finely chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon, and give it a good mix. We'll then spread it on top of the bread slices. If you wish, you can even spread some green chutney or Schezwan sauce on top of the bread and then place in the mixture. We can get totally creative here. Once that's done, we'll spread some mozzarella cheese from the top. And then a light dash of chilli flakes. We'll then place it on a lined baking tray and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese is nice melted and it's nice and crisp. Once that's done, we'll cut it in half or in triangles and then drizzle over some tomato ketchup. I've just placed this in a small sandwich bag and using it to drizzle the ketchup. We'll also drizzle in some cheese sauce and garnish the toast sandwich. And then it's time to serve. So I really hope you will enjoy the recipe. Please do give it a try and share your reviews in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Sakshi signing off. Bye!